My name is Matt from Easy Test Pools, and today we are in our Derry, New Hampshire store location with April from Latham Pools. April, thanks for being here today.
And thank you for having me here today.
So April, Latham has been manufacturing fiberglass pools for a long time now. Can you tell us what makes a Latham fiberglass pool the right choice for our customers, and just what makes them stand out in the crowd amongst other brands?
I think one of the main things that stands out with the Latham pools is the strength and the high quality construction. I have a cross section here that shows our 8-layer construction and the closed bond beam that gives the pool strength and structural longevity.
I know one thing that I would say is, I've been doing this for a few years now, and people really are, it's one thing to see it in the magazine or see a model, but when that thing arrives in your backyard, man, is it thick, it's durable, beefy looking, very high quality, very bright. It certainly makes an entrance when one is installed in your pool, in your backyard.
In addition to the strength and quality of the pools, Latham also provides excellent training to our installers, so that gives us confidence that a Latham pool not only is strong and in the ground, but it's in the ground properly. And then we partner with companies like Easy Test to
Right.
For quality install of a quality pool.
A very responsive company, answers all of our questions, and it's great for your backyard. Well, my name is Matt again, and if you wanted to reach out to me or click the link in the description, my cell phone is 603-453-2845. Thanks, April.
Thank you.